I will proclaim them the winner.
I don't think.
Well, guys, you know the drill. I have failed.
What will happen? Okay? Yes. So it's nothing else but
Your trousers. Thank you much for doing this.
Autorytet, że na maciu prawie będzie natalitet. Ja sam Berko, ja sam Lars, eksploaty znaczy fago chaos.
while I'm speaking. You're welcome.
At home, maybe watch a movie or read. Easier, maximum very easy to handle.
Certain effect of their lives.
To Doom Express.
You need to escape the train to save your lives. In every wagon, the answer to the mystery is hidden. Escape. In every wagon.
Dear youth workers, in the following section we would like to show you the Padlet we have prepared for you to help you with your project. Compos Mentis was a training course for trainers in the field of inclusion and mental well-being in youth projects. The project consisted of two parts. The main purpose of the first part was familiarize youth workers with different types of mental disorders and psychotherapeutic approaches. The main purpose of the second part was prepare youth workers to design their own therapeutic and group dynamic tools which would be ready to use during their own projects. But to be more specific, I would like to show you two exercises from our toolbox. The baffling twist is a simulation exercise for youth workers and facilitators. The main aim is dealing with disturbance in group dynamics. The tool consists of team exercises that increase in difficulty. Additionally, unknowledgeably to the participants, there are secret agents among the group. Their goal is to show disruptive behaviors in the group and mess up the group dynamic and their decision-making process. During the reflection, this was to be relieved and leave the participant astonished. The goal of the exercise is to reflect on different factors impact group dynamics and analyze how to address them. The Doom Express is a simulation exercise for youth workers, facilitators, and trainers. The main aim is dealing with failure boosting, adaptability, and resilience. Doom Express is an exercise focused on raising awareness of self-acceptance through dealing with failures and challenges which compromise our mental health. Participants are solving quests in 4 different train compartments in a very short time before the train reaches the destroyed bridge. Based on escape rooms, simulation, and role-playing, give lots of opportunities to creatively cooperate and observe group dynamics. In the debriefing phase, it is discussed how we deal with failure, adaptability, and resilience. If you scroll down, you can find a lot more information and material in the Padlet. You can get an insight into the Marshmallow Challenge, and you will find lots of material on self-care, preventing burnout, non-violent communication, and various exercises and suggestions to improve group dynamics. You can read about Ikigai and about the Gordon model. We would like to give you an insight into the Compos Mentis projects with our funny pictures. You will find a link to the Padlet in the description. We hope you will find this useful and that you will be able to use it effectively in your projects. If you have any question, you can find our contact details in the top of the Padlet. Take care and enjoy life.
All aboard! Can I see your tickets, please?
Train is doomed.
Welcome to Doom Express. This is a train going very, very fast. It's going to crash and you're going to die. You need to move from one carriage to the other. You need to embrace your failure. It's really, really important.
Really?
Really. It's a very important tool so that youth workers can be more prepared for their youth work. And with this I say, attention please, I have failed.
Compos Mentis was a trainer of trainers that tackled the topic of mental health and taught us how to recognize when something is a disorder. You can recognize when something is a disorder when you can check off 2 boxes of these 3 things. The first one is the stress. The second one is your functionality. And lastly, the third one is when it affects your relationships. So, Compos Mentis taught us how to recognize different disorders, how to work with them, but also when to call a professional, and most importantly, that you need to take care of yourself before you can take care of others.